Hi there, ready to unlock another process? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be walking you through how this beautiful storage box was made. We'll start with the measurement, and the measurement depends on the size and the style of the box you want to create, so feel free to customize. This box is perfect for small business packaging and even a stylish home decor. Stick with me to the end and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more creative content. See you in the next video.